permission or
I'm
not?
filming myself.
Mumbai, this is very
Don't get physical.
risk. No,
Don't get angry. Don't get angry. There's no need to get angry.
no, you stop.
Hello.
Welcome to Mumbai. Good morning and welcome from Mumbai. Day 2. I'm gonna leave this city today, later on. But as for today, I need to go and get some money change. And the road is very difficult to cross, as you can see. Try not to get run over by a motorist. And you don't know what to expect. Whoa! Look at the situation. They're lunatics. They drive like lunatics. There's nowhere to cross other than that. You know? Good morning. He doesn't want to be bothered. It's too early. Well, it's 10 o'clock. Most people are still just waking up. Good morning.
Right, right.
You just have to hope for the best and cross the road. Let's try some coconut today. Hopefully I don't regret it. One plate. In Mumbai. Coconut. One, yeah, one. How much? 8 rupees, yeah? 8. 80. 80. Okay. You have change, don't you? You have change. You have change. Okay, no problem. He cuts it just like that. Look at the scale. And it gushes out. Thank you. Nice. Thank you. What's your name? Namke? Namke? Thank you, Shukriya. And just like this, we're walking around with a coconut. I'm not really a big fan of drinking coconuts, but why not? We're in India. How will I cross the road with my coconut without being run over by cars and motorbikes and tuk-tuks? I don't know. Just have to go for it. Mumbai! Am I going the right way? Oh no, I was going to go the wrong way again. We made it! Me and my coconut. For 80 rupees, that's about 80 pence. 80 cents in dollars for a coconut. That's not bad, isn't it? And come back to my coconut. You thought I left you? I haven't left you. Whole coconut. It's done anyway. And I don't fancy eating what's inside. It's quite rich in it, filling. My coconut. My coconut. Thank you. One more. How much?
100.
Huh?
100.
100, yeah? Okay. What? What's your name? Namke? Namke?
Imran Sheikh.
Good to meet you, man. That's 100, isn't it? I gave you 200. Oh.
100.
Oh, that's 100. Yeah. Sorry, I'm still getting used to the Indian money. Thank you. I need to find the bin because I'm not going to check it anywhere. I know the place is dirty, but don't contribute to it. Woo. It's hot and I'm sweating. The color black attracts the heat. Later on tonight, I'll be catching a flight to New Delhi. I won't get there until late at night. So I'm hoping to find a decent driver to take me straight to the hotel. But for now, I'm just touring what's left from Mumbai. Hello. And enjoying my last day in Mumbai, really. I gotta find somewhere to put my luggage because I can't be walking around with it. I'm already sweating with that luggage. Hello. Gotta give this water to someone that deserves it. There's plenty of people on the road. Look at that. What are you looking for? Huh? Oh, I thought this is a knife sharpener, but it actually... Oh, it makes the juice out of sugar cane. Hello. Sugar cane machine. Amazing. Morning, hello. Okay. Lady is just looking for the rubbish. Trying to fetch something to sell. And look at the goats. And the cat. Hello. Anyone speaks English? Speaks English? Which one?
बोलना तेरे को आता है हिंदी में बात करो
Hindi? No English? No. Oh, no English. Thank you. Good morning, brother. Do you speak English? English? No. One sec. Hello. English? No, Hindi. Okay. You and you. Come and eat. Come. Hello. Come and eat. Come and eat. Come and eat. Come and eat. Come and eat here. Brother, I want food for that lady and that lady and that lady. 3. Yeah, 3. So 3. to this lady and two others.
कितने जन हो?
4-5 जन हैं।
5 जन।
हाँ 5 जन।
Quite busy out here. 2 more, yeah. As you can see,
बराबर पूरी
it's a
बार
nice
ना
little community. Everyone is together. One more, one more. Yeah, just wrap it and put it in a newspaper. That's the breakfast. Yeah. How much for that?
हाँ बस।
कितना 5 हो गया ना?
हाँ 5।
And rest?
100. Thank you. You had some? Yeah? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies searching in rubbish, hungry and stuff like that. No one has to starve. There's enough for everyone to eat. Oh my god. The rat is gone into pieces on the floor. Oh, that's how they make curry. Nice. Curry, curry. Curry. Thank you for that. Hello. I am wearing the wrong top. Look, the sweat's starting to show through here. I'm gonna need to go and get changed. How can you maneuver a truck like this in a tiny alleyway? Wow. Tough job. And everyone is waiting. He's squeezing the tiniest places ever. Hello.
What do you report? Like walkthrough of Mumbai city?
Yeah. I'm filming Mumbai today and New Delhi tomorrow. How do you like Mumbai? It's nice?
It's a great place, but there are mix of combinations, so slums and good side of Mumbai, go to South Mumbai.
Is that like Navia Mumbai or something?
Yeah, not Navi Mumbai, in the southern side of Mumbai where there is a sea.
Oh,
Sea
okay.
maybe, or
I've
marine
not
drives.
been yet. I'll probably go this afternoon.
There
How do you get there? Metro?
yeah, by metro, train, or by cab, anything you will
Wow.
take.
How did you learn English? Your English very good.
Actually, I also work in a UK-based company, which is MNG Global. So
Wow. Namke, what's your name?
my name is Pawan.
Ah,
What's your-
good to meet you, man. Good to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
Wow, you're doing well. What are you doing today? Work?
I'll be going to office by 12.
12, yeah? I'm looking for a shop that sells t-shirts.
T-shirts. This is a marketplace. You will get so many shops.
Yeah?
मार्केट
This is the main market.
शाम को मार्केट पता।
This is our new friend in Mumbai. Hello.
Hi.
Good to meet you. Nice. Thanks a lot. Good to meet you, man.
Thank you.
Have a good day. You see this? It's nice to be nice. All you have to do is be nice. It won't cost anything. And I come out to this market where I could... What up? A shop full. Yeah. A t-shirt. I want to buy a t-shirt. Buy t-shirt.
T-shirt? You want t-shirt?
Yeah.
You want buy t-shirt?
Yeah.
There is the left side of shop is there.
You go here and then left.
Yeah, left side.
Thank you. I'm gonna buy the same t-shirt as the guy that just spoken to me. Maybe different color. Hello.
Hi.
How much are these? 200. 200. Do you have XL, maybe XXL? Okay. Thank you. Oh, brown. More colors. This is my color. XL, yeah?
Yeah, it's all.
Can I change here?
Yeah, okay.
बना?
वाले bro.
ये कैमरा ही है।
This is camera, bro.
Yeah, for YouTube.
Okay. Tight?
बाहर
This is the biggest you have, yeah?
Yeah, last time.
And just like this. And just like this we got purses. How do I look? Better than the black one. It's a bit too dark for this color. How much did you say?
200.
150?
200.
200. Name?
Talib.
Talib, good to meet you. Name?
Irfan.
Irfan, good to meet you.
Thank you.
And just like this, we changed to more of a breathable t-shirt. I'm dressed like the scooter man I just spoken to. If you're seeing this, I copied you and I still got the label. My glasses. Man forgot the glasses, you know. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. See you later. Thank you. Thank you. Shukriya. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Last day in Mumbai. And in here he says lemon juice. Oh, look at the little kid. Hurt his hand, is it? Okay? Yeah. Have a good day. Bye. 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 And here they do crisps. Yeah, these are called masala tea. Hello.
Take a smoke?
Yeah, yeah.
Which cigarette you smoke?
I don't smoke. I don't
Oh,
smoke.
you don't smoke?
No, I don't smoke. Train.
Oh, good. Your body is like really awesome.
Thank you. Are there any like fruit markets here?
Yeah. You should visit Haji Ali Road.
Oh, okay.
Situated in Mumbai Central.
Mumbai Center.
Yeah, you have to take a local from here.
I'll
You
keep
have to go
that
to
in mind.
Andheri station or Ghatkopar. From there, you have to go to Mumbai Central, and then you can You can go on Muhammad Ali Road.
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali Road. They'll take you there.
Muhammad Ali the boxer.
Oh yeah, like that you can recognize. That road is for gangster. So they made the name from Gangster Road. Yeah, the song was really different that time. But in olden Mumbai, it was like city of gangster, this city.
The city
It was-
of gangster,
Yeah, it was
yeah.
so cool. There are like a lot of inspiring stories and motivational stories there.
Happy days.
There's stories made on Bollywood, like Shoot at Wadala.
Really?
Yeah, movies are made on the gangsters. So it's like really awesome.
This is our new friend in Mumbai.
Hi.
The captain.
Yeah, this is
The captain.
yeah.
This is the champion.
So when did you came to Mumbai?
I came to Mumbai yesterday. So I toured the other area, that side.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm touring this side.
Okay. Yeah, after that you should go to Muhammad Ali Road. You'll find a lot of non-veg dishes.
I've been told there is like a seaside down south.
Yeah, down south. You have to go to CSMT or Churchgate.
CSMT.
You definitely will find awesome people over there. Like Mumbai is really cool, term-wise, climate-wise. It's little different from other states, and but it's totally damn cool over there. South side you'll find now it's monsoon season, so it may be rain also. So it will have a great day over there. Like
You know what I found? I found Mumbai, people in Mumbai, very friendly.
okay.
Very friendly.
That's,
Tell them I love Mumbai.
yeah, definitely.
Happy days. Good to meet you, brother.
Yeah, same here, brother.
Good to meet you.
Thank you.
Good to meet you, brother. Good to meet you. Good to meet you. Have a good day. A lot of information. There are a lot of people like him and a little fella on the motorbike that work for British companies in India. And their English is exceptional. They don't suffer from any brain injuries like mine from childhood. They don't stutter or repeat their words or anything. This is the shop I wanted earlier when I seen the kid. I wanted to get them a ball, but never mind. Hello. Hello.
How are you?
Mumbai #1. This is the market on the back of my hotel. Check it out. Let me show you some Indian elegance. Hello. Look at that. Check it out. This is like a wedding outfit. Look at that. This is like a suit, but in Indian style. Wow. Nice. Hello. Nice suit. See you later. I've got to say, the days I spent in Mumbai so far have been full of joy. I've not encountered any bad experience. And I definitely recommend visiting here.
My friend, this is my lungi.
Oh,
Lungi.
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 Okay.
Yeah, I got a photo.
Yeah, that's your son. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Hello.
Lungi.
What's your name, Namke?
Nambol?
Namke?
Naam kya tera? Muhammad.
Muhammad. Oh, mashallah.
Lungi.
Lungi
में pungi.
Lungi na pungi.
Lungi में pungi.
Have a good day.
Oh,
Good to meet you. Bye. Lungi. I don't know what that means. It's probably a kid. Hello. Over here they sell ladies stuff. Hello. This is luggage bag. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. So, finally I'm gonna go to a different area of Mumbai. I've spoken to the person that worked in the restaurant where I've had my food yesterday. And he gave me some information, so I'm gonna have to catch the local metro. Let's do this. Let's get lost for the last couple of hours of my stay in Mumbai. Join me. Hello, can I get a ticket to local station? Local station. Yeah, ticket to local station.
Which local station? Churchgate. From go here. First to go from here Andheri. Take from there local station, local train, or Churchgate.
Yeah, so I can catch.
Oh, Andheri.
Yeah.
Andheri here. From here to Andheri go.
Yeah.
20 rupees ticket.
Okay. Thank you.
Platform number second from. Platform number second.
Thank you. Let's do this. Platform number 2. It's quite clean. It's nice here. Nice and cool here. Oof, it's like a fridge compared to outside. And we leave in the station. I want to go to the local station.
Go straight, left and right.
Straight, left, right. Oh, from here or here?
No, go straight.
Okay, straight, left or right. Let's visit the southern part of Mumbai before we leave Mumbai. Oh, nice. Nicely done. The Churchgate. Thank you. Can I sit here? Oh, women. Oh, ladies. Sorry. Next one. Sorry. This side.
This one.
Okay. In Mumbai, they have compartments for men only and ladies only. This is man only compartment, as you can see. And the train started moving, but ladies can join as well. Look, so we leave in the station, head into Churchgate. Hello. Coming to Churchgate. 12 more stops, I think, if not 13. And then we get to Churchgate. I'm having a lovely day. It's not bad travelling on the trains, better than tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk is quite hectic. It's a lot of beeping, humid, and At least there is a fan on the train, so it's quite convenient. So I happened to get on the train without a ticket. I misunderstood someone, and I thought the ticket can be attained on the train. I had to get a ticket and actually get on the next train. Telling me it's on the other side, so I have to get on the other side, get a ticket, and get back on the train. Let's not travel for free. Some people work hard here. I don't do that. Let's see what's down here before we come back and catch the train. It's less hectic than where I was. This area called Mahim. Let's see what they're selling in here. The food is quite delicious, but it bloats you.
Wow, idli dosa.
It's nice.
Dosa.
Samba sauce. Isn't it?
Samba. Chutney.
Chutney and that's yogurt.
Yeah,
chutney. Very spicy.
No, good.
Medium, yeah?
Medium. Idli, dosa, sambar, chutney.
Chutney. What do you call this?
Idli.
Italy. Easy to say. Easy.
Easy.
What's this station called? Mahim.
Mahim. Yeah.
Mahim. What's your name?
Rahul.
Good to meet you. Good to meet you.
Yes.
And this is the chef making the food. Gave it a clean and start to eat. There you go. That's the pancake I had yesterday. And he cooks it for about a minute, maybe 1 minute, and then flips it. 20 hours later. Lovely stuff. So they're like donuts, but it's fried. You get some donuts. Some curry sauce. Samba sauce. And like a yogurty kind of sauce, and then some curry sauce, and then this is the meal. How much?
30.
Thank you. So let's try this glorious meal made by Mahi Station. It's kind of decent. You never have to worry about the flavor. There's so much flavor in there. I didn't even want the sauce on top of the little savory donuts. I wanted the donuts dry, but this is how they do it. Thank you, bro. Thank you. That was nice. Amazing.
It's mendu vada.
Mandula. Thank you. That was nice. Thank you.
You like Mumbai?
It's beautiful. People are very friendly.
You want Dharavi?
I'm going today. I'm gonna go to South Mumbai.
Yeah.
And
Where
then-
in Gate of India, Marine Lines and all.
Yeah. And then by the
Taj
sea.
Hotel.
Yeah. And then tonight I'm gonna go to New Delhi. Probably in India. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
Again.
Thank you. See you again. Little snack, I would call it. Hello.
How are you?
Good. You okay? Enjoying the sun, yeah? Have a good day. Take care. Finally back on the train, heading to Churchgate. Let's do this. We're going now past the station we left behind. Look at the houses and stuff. Can't help but to feel sorry for people. But this is how it is now. And they're completely happy.
There are quite lots of places over I think. There is Jaga.
Yeah.
Very much places over there.
Is it busier than Mumbai?
No, it's not.
No.
made some videos, but
This station is called Dada. This is Dada station. People are getting on the train. And I still got about 9 stops to go. I'm staying by the door because it's quite breezy here. It's very humid. Another station gone past.
You're taking permission for all these shootings.
I'm doing it in public places.
No, but you should take permission first. You know the situation now here.
In the north, you mean?
Anywhere you should take permission, then shoot anything. Stop it.
Huh?
Please stop it and take the permission first.
I'm shooting public
No,
places.
don't shoot public places. Do you have permission or anything?
One second. I'm only
What I
shooting.
am asking you, yes or no?
Do you know what this is? This is a selfie. So I'm only
What I
shooting.
am saying, you have got the permission,
I
you
don't
have
need
any
permission
letter,
to film
please
myself.
stop it. I am saying stop it or I will snatch it.
Listen, I'm respecting
You are not listening to
I'm
me.
respecting you.
What? You have the permission, you have got the permission or
I'm
not?
filming myself. Look, I'm filming myself.
Madam, देखिए, this is Mumbai. This is very
Don't get physical.
risk. No, stop it. First you stop it. What I am
I'm
saying,
filming
stop
myself.
it just now. You stop it or not?
Don't get angry. Don't get angry. There's no need to get angry.
No, you stop it. How you can shoot all these things?
Let me explain to you. Travel in public places.
You
it's
come down
forbidden.
here. You come down here. Come.
It's not my stop yet.
And we will talk to police. Come down
I'm
here.
explaining to you.
You come here, please,
It's-
please. I'm saying please come here.
It's a public
Or you
place.
stop it.
It's public place.
What I'm saying, you stop it or come down
Okay.
here.
You get going and I'll do my own thing.
आप नीचे उतरो अभी.
Okay. This is my station. So after being approached by that awkward person, he's very into his politics. I'm not into politics myself, you know, because it has no place in my life. That doesn't mean I don't care about people. I don't wish them well. It's the contrary. I don't wish anything bad on anyone or anything bad to happen to anyone. I'm a travel vlogger. But the person got emotional and aggressive. All I did is tell him to stop coming after my camera. And in the end he just said, I wish you a good day, and left. But you do get approached by people like this, you know. It's unfortunate. People that don't know how to treat tourists. But we stepped out the station, heading towards the seaside. Let's go and see some nature. It's boiling by here. Oh boy, the sun sizzling. So this is the sea. Lovely. A little bit of tidying up needs to be done. Jump. No jump. Oh yeah, yeah. Take you, yeah? Yeah. Is it not clean?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's your name? Sorry. Kisan. What's your name?
Vijay.
Vijay. Nice to meet you. You from Mumbai?
No. Gujarat.
Gujarat. Oh,
Gujarat.
nice.
Kathiawad.
That's the west, isn't it?
His friend is married you in Bharat.
Oh, I see. It's nice in here in Mumbai. It's nice. Yeah. People are friendly.
Yeah.
You know? These are my fellow friends from India. Indian people. My young people celebrating a marriage next to the sea. It doesn't get better than this. And he said you can't jump in the sea because you jump in the sea, the police will come and arrest you. Hello. That's beautiful. Look, check it out. This is Mumbai Sea. I'm not gonna let one guy ruin my day. In the end of the day, he's just having a bad day. I'm having a beautiful time. The food is nice, the people are nice. It makes up for any hurdles you come across. If you're doing anything wrong, you should be worried, but I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm filming myself traveling, having the experience, Indian experience for the first time. Probably never happen again, but this is my time in India. I'm enjoying it. Hello. Wow. I went into the chemist for about like 2 seconds. I only told him a couple of words and he knew exactly what I needed. You won't struggle for these things. The jeans is basically rubbing against my leg and causing it skin to be sore. I got cream in like 2 seconds for about 180 rupees. So that's like £1.80 for a cream. Wow. Amazing. Coffee and chat in this cafe, not far from the station of Churchgate. Such a lovely business. Friendly people, kind. They make you feel welcome as a tourist if you want to come and see the seaside. It's not far from this place right there. It's like a cathedral or something like that. And as you can see, it's quite busy out here. And I've enjoyed my time in Mumbai, and this is another part of the experience which I enjoy. Train, bruv. Almost missed the train. Say something in Mumbai.
बोलो कुछ मुंबई beautiful place है and उधर पे आप visit करिए. It's very safe. Hello.
Hello. Welcome.
The people of Mumbai.
Yes.
Come to Mumbai.
Yes, great.
My friend Dave is leaving the train.
It was nice meeting you.
One of the nice people in Mumbai. They're all kind. All kind. Some friend here.
Meet my Mumbai friend. Hello.
Welcome to Mumbai. Thank you. I got off at this station. Now time to go and grab something to eat because I'm hungry. Excuse me, sir. Do you sell water on its own or part of milk? Does he sell water on its own or as a part of milk?
On its own or a part of milk?
Yeah. Does he sell water on its own?
You want water?
Yes.
Pani. You want on glass or you want to buy water?
The bottle, yeah.
You want to buy bottle pani.
Thanda Dada?
You want cold or hot? What is it?
Cold.
Cold? 10
10 rupees. I want 3 of them.
3 of them.
Yes.
There is no cold water.
Oh, there's no cold water. Oh, it's okay.
You will get it inside.
You can get it inside. I just wanted to buy water for them people that work here.
They're working over there.
Yeah,
You can
yeah.
buy them the cold.
Okay, can I get 3 please? Thank you so much. Your English is very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. 20. Please. Excuse me, sir. Here's water. Water for you. Water for you. And then water for the lady.